Many grillers hit the same roadblocks: unpredictable heat, constant tending, and smoke that doesn't penetrate. Traditional charcoal setups demand time and attention, while digital systems can be expensive or complicated. The need is simple: consistent temperatures, predictable smoke flavor, and a reliable ignition method so cooks can focus on timing and seasoning rather than babysitting heat. That's the gap a propane vertical smoker tries to fill: quick start, controllable flame, and a roomy chamber for multiple items. The Masterbuilt ThermoTemp presents itself as an accessible, propane-powered vertical smoker designed to remove common pain points, push-button ignition, an analog temperature dial up to 3075 /Fs, and nearly 1,000 square inches of chrome-coated rack space. Its vertical layout concentrates heat and smoke for efficient circulation. The core idea is straightforward: get consistent smoked food with minimal setup so families and weekend cooks can serve full plates without the fuss of charcoal or pellet management. Built from alloy steel with 4 chrome-coated racks, this smoker focuses on usable space and straightforward maintenance. The vertical cabinet measures roughly 22.8 by 28.7 by 53 inches and provides room for up to 16 chickens or multiple racks of ribs. Chrome racks simplify cleanup and help distribute heat across the cooking area. At about 92 pounds on its own and mounted on wheels, the design balances portability with a stable cooking footprint. The propane burner and included hose enable push-button ignition for immediate startup, eliminating long warm-up periods. Heat travels vertically, creating layered heat zones inside the chamber. The analog temperature dial gives a simple, tactile way to set a target up to 375 °F, while ThermoTemp design aims to stabilize that setting. Some users report variability in temperature hold over long cooks, so attention to burner health and seals is important for consistent results. The smoker includes a removable water bowl and a wood chip tray to manage humidity and introduce smoke flavor. The water bowl helps keep proteins tender during long cooks, while the wood chip tray adds controlled smoke bursts. Controls are analog and intentionally simple: no app, no digital readouts, which suits cooks who prefer hands-on adjustments. Wheels make repositioning easy, and removable components simplify cleaning and maintenance. Real cooks report mostly steady temperatures for low and slow tasks. The ThermoTemp system aims to stabilize the chamber, so brisket and pork shoulder can develop consistent bark and tenderness. Expect to monitor early cooks to verify target ranges, since analog controls are less precise than digital controllers. For most backyard sessions, the temperature range up to 3075 °F covers low smoking and occasional finishing sears, delivering reliable results when the unit and seals are in good condition. Using the wood chip tray produces a clear, accessible smoke profile that penetrates thinner cuts and complements richer proteins. The vertical circulation helps draw smoke through all racks. Using water in the pan moderates intensity and prevents drying. While not as intense as large offset smokers, the ThermoTemp delivers attractive, consistent smoke character for ribs, salmon, and poultry when paired with correct wood types and chip intervals. With 960 square inches of cooking area, the smoker easily handles family gatherings or holiday roasts. Multiple racks enable cooking different items simultaneously, though heavier cuts need rotation and placement attention for uniform results. For weekend cooks and mid-scale entertaining, this unit hits a sweet spot, large enough to feed a crowd but compact enough for small patios. Performance hinges on proper burner and seal maintenance for long cooks. The vertical layout and 4 racks make the smoker suited to holiday hams, multiple turkeys, or racks of ribs cooked together. When you need to serve many people without rotating between separate grills, the system's space and consistent heat distribution are practical assets. Plan rack arrangement ahead and use the water bowl to preserve moisture over long holiday sessions. Quick setup and instant ignition make weeknight smoking realistic. The ability to light and stabilize heat fast removes the barrier of long prep times, letting you smoke ribs or chicken on a weeknight with reasonable planning. Shorter smokes and modest temperatures benefit from the water pan and wood chip tray for tenderness and flavor without extensive fuel management. Wheels and a relatively compact footprint make the smoker a candidate for tailgating or campsite cooking where propane is available. It's not ultralight, but if you need reliable smoked flavor away from home without charcoal logistics, this propane unit offers a portable alternative. Secure the unit during transport and check burner and hose connections before each use. This smoker's strengths are straightforward, easy push-button ignition, and quick startup, a large, chrome-racked cooking area for families and small gatherings, simple analog controls that make setup approachable for beginners, and a removable water bowl and wood chip tray that help you dial moisture and smoke. Value-oriented cooks will appreciate the combination of capacity and convenience in a compact vertical package. A few realistic limitations appear in user reports. Analog temperature control lacks the precision of digital controllers. Some owners noted inconsistent temperature hold or burner problems over time, and build quality and lid sealing can vary, which affects long-term durability. Propane tanks are also a separate purchase, and burner replacement may be necessary after heavy use. These are practical trade-offs for a value-oriented design. For backyard cooks seeking straightforward, reliable smoking without charcoal fuss, the Masterbuilt ThermoTemp Propane smoker is a strong contender. It shines for families, weekend hosts, and beginners who want an accessible path to low and slow results and enough capacity for gatherings. If you prioritize precision electronics or premium stainless construction, you might prefer other options, but for consistent smoke, easy startup, and family-size capacity, it performs very well. If consistent results, easy cleanup, and quick ignition are priorities, this Masterbuilt model delivers a practical balance of capacity and convenience. Keep an eye on burner maintenance and seals over time to protect performance. If this review helped you, leave a comment with what you'd smoke first, subscribe for more in-depth grill and smoker breakdowns, and explore our playlist for comparative tests and cinematic cooking demos.